All right, Shackle peeps. I gotta get my shot at this speed thingy. Oh, okay. Let's see. What's first? Key. How fast can I get out with a key? I don't know how to do that negative thing where it starts on 0. So I'm just gonna hit it and just hit it and get it. Let's go. That was like maybe 5 seconds. At least we got a baseline. All right, we're back with a pick. Ah. And lastly, let's try a shim. And let's try not to launch it clear across the room. Shim! Let's shim. Butterfingers. Well, that's a baseline. You can always come back and try to do better.